Hello dear students, greetings for the day from Umadevi Children's Academy. This is Vikas Gupta, your class 5th computer teacher. Today we are going to start our chapter number 7. Its name is Slide Organization in PowerPoint. So this chapter we shall be covering in 2 sessions. So in the first session of chapter number 7, we are going to learn changing the slide layout, rearranging slides in the outline tab, rearranging slides in the slide sorter view, editing text object and moving objects. So let's start. Before we start, let's ensure that are you sitting in a quiet place? Are you in the proper network? Have you put a stationery with you? Have you put your cell phone in landscape mode? And are you wearing the headphones? So, after ensuring all of these things, let's start. So dear students, this is the chapter number 7. Although PowerPoint templates provide impressive pre-designed slides, you may still need to make changes in your presentation. Editing a slide involves adding, deleting and rearranging slides, changing backgrounds and layouts, inserting text objects, inserting text box, etc. Contents of the existing slides can also be changed. Changing the slide layout. Slide layout refers to the way things are arranged on a slide. A layout contains placeholders which hold text, titles, bulleted lists, and slide content such as tables, charts, pictures, shapes, and clip art. Each time when you insert a new slide, you can choose a layout that matches your requirement. The layout can be modified either in the normal view or slide sorter view. Click on the View tab and select the Slide Sorter button. Slide Sorter View button. Choose the slide whose layout you want to change. Click on the Layout button in the Slides group on the Home tab. The Layout drop-down list will open with various layouts. Select the layout according to your requirement. The text on the slide will be rearranged automatically according to the chosen layout. Look at here. I will show you one practical like this is. So the students, like I have made here 4 slides. So I want to show you. Firstly, we will click on Home tab. Then in the Slides group, we will click on the Layout drop down list. And from here, when we will hover over the layouts, so the text will be changed. So the students, firstly we will click on any slide, like I have clicked on this slide. So the students, firstly we will click on the slide sorter view from here, from the status bar, or we can choose it from here, View tab, and we can take here from slide sorter view. So firstly I am selecting this 4th slide. Now what I want to do, I'll click on Home tab, then in the Slides group I'll click on Layout drop down list. Now when I'll change the layout, the text will be appearance of the text will be changed. Like I want to select picture with caption. Look at here, I will select this one layout. So look at here, the text is changed here, you can see. So like this we can change the layout and the text will be rearranged according to the layout. Now rearranging slides in the Outline tab. To change the order of the slide from one position to another in the Outline tab, follow these steps. Click on the Normal button located on the View tab. If needed, choose the Outline tab to display the outline of the text in the slides. One figure is shown here. You can look at here. So you have to select the slide icon of the slide you want to move. Then drag the slide to a new location A horizontal line appears as you drag the slide, as shown in figure 7.2. Look at here, you will get a horizontal line when you will be moving. Okay, so when the horizontal line reaches the desired location, please release the mouse. The slide moves to the new location. I want to show you here. Firstly, we will open it in the normal view. Okay, now we will take an outline view. So whichever slide we want, we will click on that. We will move out. Okay, so I just suppose that I want to move this fourth slide at the first place. So I will click on the icon of the fourth slide. Now the slide is selected. I will drag it. Okay, so look at here, I will drag it, and you will be having here, look at here, you are having here the horizontal line, you can see. Okay, the horizontal line is moving. So like suppose that I want it on the second place, so I will leave the horizontal line at the second place, and the slide will be moved to the second place. Okay, got it? Look at here, the slide is moved to the second place. Now next one, in normal view you can rearrange the slides using the options from the slides tab also. How to rearrange slides in slide sorter view? Click on the slide sorter view button on the view tab. So firstly we will click on the view tab and we will click on slide sorter view. Now we have to just select the slide that we want to move. Like I want to move this slide, so I have clicked on this one slide. Now drag the selected slide to a new location. A vertical bar appears next to the slide where the slide is moved. So look at here, I am moving it here. Look at here, we are having the vertical bar moving. So if I will move it here, so vertical bar is here, so the slide will be moved here. I am dropping it here. Look at here. Okay, we have moved. Okay, so like this we can rearrange the slide in slide sorter view. Now editing text object. It is important to know how to perform basic tasks with text while working in PowerPoint. The text you type in placeholders such as title, subtitle, etc. can only be modified in the normal view. Open the slide in which you want to edit the text. Click on the text, a placeholder will appear. Look at here, I have selected this slide. Okay, this slide I have opened in normal view. Now I have clicked here, so we have got this placeholder. Okay, so place the cursor at that point where you want to edit the text. Now make the required changes in the text. After editing the text, click on the save button on the quick access toolbar to save the changes. I want to write here activities of the month December. Okay, so like this we can edit the text. Okay, now so just we will click on the quick access toolbar and we will click on save, so it will be saved, or we can do Ctrl S. Okay, or we can save from file. Okay, file tab. Now next is moving objects. So moving objects. In a presentation you can move the objects from one place to another, either on the same slide or between different slides. Follow these steps to move an object. Select the object, click on the cut button located on the home tab, or use the Ctrl X option. The object disappears from the slide and is placed to the clipboard. So dear students, I have selected Judo Championship. Now from home tab, in the in the clipboard I have clicked on cut. Okay, now the text is disappeared. Now I want it to place here. I will click here. Now I will click on the text is in the clipboard. Now I can click on paste button and the text will be pasted here. Okay, look at here, the text is pasted here. We can use here Ctrl X and Ctrl Y also. Okay, now next one, some tips are here. To move the text object to another position, click anywhere inside the placeholder. Okay, we have to click inside the placeholder that contains the text. Place the pointer on the border. When the pointer changes to a double-headed arrow, click on the border and drag the mouse to where you want to place the text and then release the mouse button. We have clicked on the border. Now I am dragging it, and wherever we want we can drag it and we can move it. Okay, look at here like this. Okay, so dear students, that's it for today. So this is the end of the session number 1. So the homework for today is you have to complete the left work of the chapter number 6, okay, within the 7 days if you are having any left work of chapter 6. Okay, so I wish you all the best. Bye bye. Have a great day ahead.